Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to take a look at what many consider the best spider and bird stain remover on the market. The brite Spider and Bird Stain Remover Spray. If you're tired of dealing with stubborn bird droppings or spider messes on your boat, car, or any other outdoor surface, this product might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's start with what makes this product stand out from the competition. Brite's Spider and Bird Stain Remover is specially formulated to quickly dissolve stubborn stains caused by bird droppings and spider webs. The best part? It works instantly, no hard scrubbing required. You just spray it directly on the affected area, and within seconds, the mess starts to break down right before your eyes. Now, if you're a boat owner or someone who takes pride in your vehicle's appearance, you'll appreciate that this product is gentle on surfaces. It won't strip away your car's wax or your boat's gel coat, which is a major concern with many other cleaners on the market. It preserves the shine and doesn't damage fiberglass or painted areas, which makes it a great choice for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's or boat's polished look. Another key feature is its versatility. This remover is perfect not only for marine surfaces but also for any outdoor surfaces or fabrics that might be affected by bird droppings or spider webs. Whether you're dealing with your boat, RV, or even a patio, this product is designed to restore the original beauty of any surface it's used on. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply spray the remover directly onto the droppings or mess, let it penetrate for 30 to 45 seconds, give it a gentle rub, and rinse. For stubborn stains, a second application might be necessary, but it's a small price to pay for quick and effective results. When it comes to cleaning products, the quality and reliability matter. Brite has been a trusted name in marine, auto, RV, and outdoor cleaning products since 1973. Their reputation for creating high-quality, effective products is well-earned, and this stain remover is no exception. So, if you're tired of dealing with the aftermath of bird droppings or spider messes and need something that works quickly without damaging your surfaces, the Brite Spider and Bird Stain Remover is the best choice for the job. It's easy to apply, fast-acting, and gentle on your surfaces, making it a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their outdoor equipment clean and looking great. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review here on Product Critique.